Hello everybody, welcome to this platform. Now today's video we're going to see and look this primary living national exam 2024-25 social and religious studies, and we have question like this: outline into elements of Google map. Have it. And question 2, choose the number of districts that are found in Eastern Province. Of course, there are 7 districts. Identify 2 diseases caused by drinking dirty water in your community from the following. And we have right here cholera and typhoid. Now, question 4, name 2 organizations that protect human rights that and are found in your country, and we have it right here. 5, identify any 2 methods. Question 6, write down the following observation in full. 7, give 2 reasons why people have to solve conflicts in your country. 8, mention any 2 examples of hygiene practices in your community. 9, choose any 2 signs and symptoms of malaria from the following options: headache, body itch, high fever, and leprosy. Whereas question 10, explain any 2 ways of preventing waterborne diseases in your country. 11, suggest any 2 signs and symptoms of tuberculosis. That's number 12. And give any 2 reasons why Rwanda is investing in culture and sport activity. And here you have to say those reasons, okay? And 13, explain any 2 importance of cooperative societies in your province. So that's 14, match the following sources with the importance in a country: land, rivers, and lakes, and buildings. We get fish, water, and home use. Provide us with shelter used for agriculture and settlement. Whereas 15, select any 2 examples of SACCOs operating in Rwanda among the following: Mwalimu Sacco, Muhanzi Sacco, Mirenge Sacco, and Akagari Sacco. 16, what the title given person who heads the district in Rwanda. Of course, this is a mayor. What is the title of Rwanda national anthem? This is Rwanda Nziza. Choose any 2 principles for democracy practiced in your country among the following: freedom of speech and free and fair of election. Those are 2 answers. Give any 2 reasons why good leadership is important in your country. Promote to development, promote peace and harmony. 20, state whether the statement is true or false. Cheating during exam is a good behavior that is false. We should pray during. Match the following values with their characteristics: gratitude and trust, belief in others honestly, and being thankful. 22, what is the main source of solar energy? Have more sun, stars, and comet. Of course, that is sun. And how do we call the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere? That is weather. Give any 2 examples of social facilities in Rwanda. You have to provide. Identify any 2 types of pollution and know them. Name the instrument that is used to measure the following: rainfall or temperature. Importance of good transport network in an area. And last 28, state biggest international airport of Rwanda. Question 29, select any 2 elements of weather from the following options: rainfall, thermometer, temperature, hygrometer. In the following options, choose 2 methods that reduce population growth: family planning, fair election, treating people equally, and discussing. And that one, the general weather condition. General weather condition an area over a period of time. Long period of time is what? That is climate. Mention 2 achievement of ground. And we have it right here. 33, area of 55,000 kilometers square has this one, and 741 others. Calculate population density. Have to calculate population density with 34, state whether the statements given below are true or false. Mining activities can destroy the environment. Good railway and road network discourage trade and commerce. Subsistence agriculture is a system whereby people keep animals and grow crops on small scale. 35, outline 2 characteristics of democratic government like Rwanda. The main objectives of Berry Conference was to do what? To divide African territories among European powers. This is best answer. We can move on to the next question, and this is question 17. Who heads the kingdom of the pre-colonial Rwanda? That is King. Complete the table below, filling the items that were made during pre-colonial Rwanda. We have types of craft, weaving and basketry, pottery, and iron work. So I have to fill in the item that made it from that one. And find two kings who ruled the kingdom of Rwanda, Musinga, Taragatatu, Rudahigwa. Select the Pan-Africanist who led struggled to independence of South Africa, that is Nelson Mandela. Question 41 to 50, answer either question is Christian faith or question is Islamic faith, but not both. Either explain into miracles that were performed by Jesus during ministry. Yeah, I have to remember those miracles that has been done by Jesus when he was here on earth. Give in to reasons why Muslims celebrate Eid al-Adha. For two, either use given information below to complete statement correctly. Joseph Elizabeth, the mother of John Baptist, was Elizabeth, whereas Joseph was sold as slave by his own brother. What is the two-day activity that help Muslims prepare the paradise? Praying and giving charity, watching TV, that's not, getting wealth and power, eating and traveling. 43. Explain to social importance of holy books in life. 44. Either state whether the following statements are true or false. A. The Bible is divided into Old Testament and the New Testament. 2. Christian is celebrated to mark the birth of Jesus Christ. Or state whether the following statements are true or false. Muslims pray 3 times a day. That is not correct because they pray 5 times a day. Muslims believe in one God called Allah. That is true. 45. Either use the words in the bracket to fill the gaps below. Vocation or Canaan. God told Abraham to leave his country and go to the land of Canaan, whereas vocation is agreement between people and God. Monotheism. Monotheism means what? Tawhid, whereas polytheism means shirk. Belief in existence of many gods, that's what called polytheism, whereas here belief in worship in one God, that's what called monotheism. Write in two social consequences of stealing. Yeah, social consequences of stealing. How are human beings unique from other creatures? That is, their main difference is knowledge and intelligence. In the following option, choose two importance of faith for believers. Promotes peace and harmony. Faith makes people arrogant. C. Faith strengthens relationship with God. D. Faith makes people sinners. Last question 49. Define any two acts that may spoil fasting from the following. A. Drinking and eating intentionally. Cleaning and decoration our home, helping other people, praying and worship daily. And we have question 15. Give into books of God that used by believers in church and mosque. That is Quran and Bible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. And we shall give you the marking guide of this exam later, very soon.